Guys, this is Jay Hughes, Real Money Investors, and this is part of the OPKEE Trading Mastermind. This is where we build wealth with other people's knowledge, expertise, and effort. In this video, we want to review our 2018 options trading update. We were part of a weekly options trading group mastermind, and we want to give you some of our not only results, but opinions and goals for 2019. Now remember, we're sharing with you the good, the bad, the ugly, because this is a real money trading update. Before we get started, you know what the routine is. Let's just go ahead and read over the disclaimer. You can hit pause, and if you agree with it, we can move forward. Okay, the daily option trading group test 2018. We only traded this for 1 month, and we'll give you all the reasons why in just a second. Now remember, this is a high risk weekly options trading group that we're part of. We're currently in a business drawdown, but it was an excellent program and a nice experience for 1 month. And that's in my humble opinion. We started, in which I'll show you our statement in just a moment. We started with $6,000 in business capital, and the trading capital was $5,500. There's a reason for that, because we know that there's a cost of doing business. Unlike other review sites that just show you how many points that someone made or how much gross profit or loss they made, we're going to talk about the cost of actually doing this business. We had a $500 setup, and that was for our advisory. That was for setup, and also we got some predictive software as well. Excuse me. Now this was pretty high. Also, as a cost of doing business, it was $400 in commission and fees for that 1 month that we did trade this particular program, being a part of that trading group as well. Now here's my review, the overall review of what happened. We had approximately 1 month of trading, which you'll see on the statement. That was through August through September. We were up as high as 20%, but we ended, and I'm still saying I like this program, but we ended with a business drawdown of around 21%. And that's where we are when I said that we're in a drawdown. So after real money losses and expenses, our balance is from $6,000 to $4,750. I told you I was going to give you the good, the bad, the ugly. So why am I still pretty excited about this program? Well, the trading group itself, not me, not personally, which you'll see, but the trading group itself that I was part of, the real money gain through December of 2008 was 83% average gain. Some people had to 300% gains depending on their money management, but the average was 83%. So what happened to me? Now here are my reasons and excuses, and I hate reasons and excuses. We were all in a down draw when I stopped trading, but I stopped trading in September due to a work conflict. And I'm still a consultant, so I still have to travel out. And when your mind is on work, you should not be trading. And even my partner doesn't want to hear that, but that's the honest truth. Let's take a look at the statement to verify all this. Okay, guys, here we are in our Think and Swim platform, and as you can tell right here, this is real money, and I'm going to blank this out, hopefully, but again, we have a little bit, well, we have close to $5,000 still left, so it's 47.26. I think I said 47.50 on this. But as you can see right here, we put $6,000, and that was in July. Now, we didn't make our first trade, and we took money out for expenses. That's the $500. So thus, you have the $5,500 I had mentioned. We did not make our first trade until August 14th, as you can see here. And this is when the trade started. So we went from 5,500, and what's our high? Our high was right at 6,000. Yeah, well, 6,003, and the high was right at August 27th, someplace around there. Then we made some pretty, well, I'm sorry, that wasn't the high. The high was 65.36, something along those lines. But as you can see, near the end of the month, well, the middle of the, yeah, the end of the month in September. I think this was our last trade right here. Um, we ended that month of trading. It was in a 2 month period, calendar month period, but we ended that at a little bit over 4,700. So that should give you all the proof in the world. And now this was ridiculous. We paid like $400, $400 in that 1 month in commission only. Okay. Okay. So what are our goals with this? We decided that we're still going to trade it, but again, you only trade this sort of program because it is so high risk. It's a day trading program. It's not something that you can do passively because when you're scalping the market like that, it's hard to put that into a day trading or a done for you type of program. So there are certain things that you're going to have to do to execute these particular trades in the morning. And you've got to monitor the market when it comes to these option trading programs. So what are we going to do in 2019? Yes, we're sticking with the program because the program overall was a winner, even though we lost at the end of the day, only because I traded that 1 month. The starting capital that we have right now is 4,720, I think. So I think I got that wrong. And then we're going to use trading capital of 4,000 and of course our expense budget of around 750. Now that's just to get back into the trading group. It's always good to trade with someone and with a group. It's just that synergy and that energy that goes on besides just hanging out on the computer by yourself. We have a revenue goal in 2019 to turn that $4,000 into around $25,000 in profit. Now, what are we going to do different? We're going to diversify that into 3 different programs in this particular trading group. We're going to get our commissions reduced. We're going to get the hell away from Think and Swim unless they can reduce our commission structure. We're going to use a simpler platform, something that can do really, really good bracket type trades. And of course, we're going to use our discipline and make sure that we can set and forget. So guys, make sure that you track us. There's nothing that I can do as far as offering an auto trade or a trade copier with this particular program because the market moves way too fast. I'll keep you guys posted. So make sure that you just hit subscribe and make sure that you get the daily or weekly or however I decide to do it as far as the upgrades. If you're part of the masterminds, you know that you're going to get daily updates anyways. Thanks.